purchased refurbished or second-hand Samsung phone and are stuck on Google account verification as you don't have Google account password or have forgot password? If yes, this video is for you. Watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the link in description and pin comment to bypass Google account on Samsung devices. Hey folks, myself Akhil from Double Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to bypass Samsung FRP without password in minutes. Well, that's not enough, we can also remove Google account without losing data. But before I start, if you are new to Double Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So finally, let's begin with the video and know the complete process. I will be using DroidKit to bypass Google account on Samsung. With DroidKit, we can unlock all Samsung devices with higher success rate, and after removing Google account, we regain full access to our Android phone or tablet. The best thing is that even if you don't have any technical knowledge, you can use DroidKit to remove FRP lock right at your home. This helps in 100% data privacy with SSL 256 encryption. So our data is secured with us and our own computer. This is too good, we need not to send our phone to someone else to unlock it and worry about our data on phone. That's just awesome, let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. Once DroidKit FRP bypass free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have iMobile DroidKit with all its features and capabilities. Well, we can do so much more with this, but today I will show you all how to bypass Google account on Samsung, and for that click on FRP bypass. Now we need to connect our Samsung Android phone with computer by USB, and once connected, click on start to get started with FRP bypass removal process. It starts preparing device configuration file. Once done, it shows configuration file is prepared for the device. Now we are ready to bypass Google account. Click on start to bypass. Follow the given instructions on your Samsung Android phone. On devices without home button, devices with big C button. After that, click on next. Find and select the system version on your device, and after that click on next. Now follow the given instructions on your Samsung phone. Next, we will enter the Google account verification interface. Now click on send notification. Now you will get a notification on your Android phone. Tap on view. Next, tap on start, and then accept legal agreements, and then tap on allow. After doing all this on Android phone, click on next. Now we will be required to download APK file for FRP lock bypass. Follow the instructions to download APK and install it. Now go to the link imobile.link/droidkit-fmd. This will open a web page which allows us to open Android phone settings. Click on open settings and deactivate Find My Device from there. After done, click on next. Now we will be required to disable Google Play services as well, and can add our Google account also. Once done, click on next. Now disable Google Play services and long press power button to reboot Android phone. After that, FRP bypass will start and DroidKit removes FRP lock. It shows bypassing FRP. Device will restart and boom, FRP lock will be gone. Now we can add our Google account likewise I am doing now, and see there is no FRP lock on our device now. Same way you can also bypass Samsung FRP without password using DroidKit. Effortless and 100% working. I will highly recommend it, and if you want to try, find the links in description and pin comment. Well, we can do so much more with DroidKit, and if you are looking to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, you can watch this video, and if you are looking to unlock Android devices without password, you can watch this video. Well, now you may ask, is DroidKit free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about DroidKit pricing plans. Here we are back on official website. Now click on see pricing. Here we have different pricing plans for DroidKit. Choose your plan as per your requirement. I will highly recommend you to try out DroidKit if you are looking to remove Google account from Samsung devices without password. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this, and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Have you forgot Android phone password and want to bypass lock screen without factory reset or without data loss? Have you deleted your WhatsApp messages accidentally and don't have WhatsApp chat backup? Still want to restore deleted WhatsApp messages? If yes, this video is for you.